This is the MagicForce 68 key mechanical keyboard. The MagicForce is a compact keyboard that supports many different mechanical switches and has several different case and LED colors to choose from. The one I have here is a silver case equipped with cherry MX brown and white LED backlight. The build material is metal and plastic. The top is aluminum with a sandblasted finish and a mirror bezel, while the bottom is plastic. This makes it feel solid while keeping it relatively light. Here in the bottom, we can see that it has two adjustable feet that can be extended or retracted for two different heights. To the left of the branding and below the left feet, you'll find three dipped switches. They are used to change the location of the function, control, and Windows key or to lock the Windows key. For connection, it uses a mini USB plug which connects at the bottom and has a channel to redirect and secure the cable from accidental disconnection. Back to the front. Here we see the 68 keys that make it a compact keyboard. It does not have dedicated F keys nor a number pad. The standard keycap that usually comes included is a set of shine-through ABS keycaps with a slightly sci-fi font. For LED controls, you'll be able to adjust it from 0% or off to 100% in steps. You'll also have the option for breathing LEDs, which you can also adjust the breathing speed. The typing experience, for the cherry MX brown in this case, is certainly quite solid and satisfying. Finally, the price. This is where it gets a little bit complicated, as the type of switches can drastically change the price of the keyboard. But if you decide to go with a less costly switch, this keyboard can be very inexpensive, starting at $40 US. So with that starting price, a solid premium feel with the aluminum top, and many configuration options, this is a great keyboard that can be personalized for anyone.